Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and using mask and gloves while doing shoppings. So I bought you the whole of CVS for this week, October 11th till October 17th. Rather than wasting more time of yours, let's go to deal one by one. So first deal is on regular cotton balls, 300 counts. They were $2.79 at my store. I used $1 Beauty 360 cotton CRT that I got last week that was expiring yesterday, and I got $1 off Beauty 360 that was expiring on the coming Sunday. So I combined both of them and that reduces my total to 79 cents. I hope this is a decent price for this one. If you have those CRT, don't forget to combine it. Let's go to next deal. So this is cosmetic deals, Maybelline plus Revlon. So I did it in two scenarios because of the CRT issues. So let me go through the first one for you. First one, so Maybelline this week is buy two get $5 extra bucks, and Revlon is spend 10 get $4 extra bucks. So I purchased one Maybelline foundation, one Maybelline eyeshadow, and then Revlon nail polish. So Maybelline foundation was $8.59 at my store. For eyeshadow was $4.29 and nail polish was $6.49. I used $4 off CRT for Maybelline that printed for I think everyone last week, and $4 off Maybelline foundation CRT that I got this week, $4 off Maybelline mystery coupon that I got this week, and $5 Revlon cosmetic CRT that we got this week. I thought that all of these can be combined with $3.15 cosmetic CRT, but it did not work. So I had to pay $2.37 out of pocket. I got back $5 extra bucks, making it $2.63 money maker. If your total is above $3, then it might work. So look for better things like any other eyeshadow or maybe Fit Me mascaras or Fit Me eyeshadows. Try doing that one. And because of that, it did not work. So I tried to do that in a different scenario. On my different card. I thought that it will work on that one. Let's go to see that one. So this is my second scenario for Maybelline and Revlon. Again, the Maybelline this week is buy two get $5 extra bucks, and Revlon spend 10 get $4 extra bucks. But Maybelline is limit of 3 and Revlon is limit of 6. So I bought the same foundation, $8.59. Maybelline twin liners I bought this time. They are $4.99. Because I thought that this may fluctuate the price, because I bought two Revlon simple nail polish. They were $6.49 and the other one is I think shiny one that is $8.99. Then I used the same three CRTs. I got the cosmetics Maybelline from last week, Maybelline mystery coupon this week, Maybelline foundation this week, Revlon $5 this week. I used 6 of 20 Revlon CRT and 3 of 15 cosmetic CRT. Again, all of them worked, but 3 of 15 cosmetic CRT did not work. That reduced I rolled off $12.55. Still, I was above, out of pocket. But I remember that there are coupons that came last week in Zert or maybe this week. So don't forget to combine them. And if you want to use the Maybelline coupon, you can go ahead for Maybelline.com and you can print them. So I didn't have any of the coupons, but I still did this deal. If you have those coupons, that can be a money maker more, like it's 45-cent money maker. But if you have those coupons, that can really help you in saving more too. Let's go to next deal. So this is again a freebie. The Crust 3D white strips, they were at clearance at my store for $12.49. And fortunately, I got a $12 Crust white strip CRT as well. So I combined both of them and that reduces my total to 49 cents. Out of 49 cents for this, I think this is really decent price. This is really good price, if I would say, because that is $49, $49.99, and after those CRT and clearance, it is just 49 cents. That is like 1% of the total price. I think if you have those CRTs, you should do this. It's one of the must-do deals. And look for more clearance. I heard that there were clearance on candies, there were clearance on shoes as well. So if you go to your CVS, don't forget to look for clearance. Let's go to next deal. So next is Eucerin or skincare. Spend $35, get $15 extra bucks. I included CeraVe in this, but CeraVe is not part of spend $35, get $15 extra bucks. But I did this because of the CRT. So I bought two daily hydrations. They were $11.49 at my store. I got one advanced repair $11.99, and I bought one CeraVe moisturizing cream that is $11.99 as well. I used 3 coupons from Eucerin.com of $3. You can get $3.50 coupon as well if you will refer someone else. Someone else email you will refer, you will get $3.50 coupon on that. That will like eventually help you in reducing more. And I had $4 off 20 lotion CRT that was working only on daily hydration, so that's why I used it. And I have $5 or $22 facial care CRT that worked on Eucerin Advanced Repair and moisturizing cream. I had $5 off CeraVe CRT. I had $4 off CeraVe CRT. So that's why I combined all of them so that I can reduce my total down. But I did one mistake that I have to repair, I have to change or I have to modify, that this is working only on 16.9 ounce Eucerin. So don't forget to on that, because if you will buy Eucerin from there and then submit for $3 on Ibotta, that won't work because it's working only on 16.9 ounce. So be careful when you go there and buy it. So my total was $19.96. I got back $15 extra bucks. Plus, I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got $3 for each of the Eucerin, making it $9 from Ibotta, making it $4 money maker. If you will buy that Eucerin 16.9 ounce, then I think it will work for you guys on Ibotta as well. Let's go to let me show you the CRTs that I got from there. So this was my CVS haul for this week. I didn't do any Skintimate or Razor deal because I know that coupon is available on coupons.com. I have printed that too, but it's like too many of Skintimate I have, and I have we don't even use the shaving cream. So, but I'm going to post a scenario for you. If you're going for that, you can definitely look for it, and let me know in comments if you have any of the CRTs. I can definitely try to help you in saving more. There is Dove going on, Dove body wash deal is going on, but I did not have CRT, so that's why I didn't do it. But if you have that CRT, definitely go for it. That will be a good deal if you can save more on Dove. Usually we don't get the deal, but I think it is on Ibotta as well. You will get some points, and you will get some points from Fetch Reward as well. So don't forget to combine them. That can really be helpful in reducing the price. We don't get much deal on Dove. And there is Irish Spring that is also going on if you have 2 of 2 Irish Spring CRT, and you can combine with that with Suave if you have $3 of $18 body wash CRT. So I'm going to post all the scenarios in the end for you so that you can look for them. Thank you.